Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today we are learn about a seven passive uh, income investment that pay you monthly. Okay, and let's start this video. Okay, seven best passive income ideas to build your wealth in 2026. Okay, if you want to get rich in the short term, simply working might not be in it. However, if you want to focus on long term financial goals, you need to start generating passive income as soon as possible. January is a great time to start. Okay, it can be confusing and overwhelming to figure it out on your own. So it helps you to get at geo banking rate consulting financial expert to uncover the best passive income strategies for the new year, from low risk option to high yield opportunities. These investments can help you increase cash flow or diversify your portfolio and grow your wealth without taking on a second full-time job. Will there are will there are no perfect seniors. Here are seven previous passive income ideas to help you build financial security in 2026. Okay, and number one is invest invest in dividend dividend paying stock for steady cash flow. Okay, dividend paying stock remain the gold standard to of passive income. Investing in Erika Kulberg, and attorney and personal finance expert at Erika.com, think it's a no-brainer as long as you have the funds to get started. And next is, dividend paying stock can provide a consistent income along with the potential for capital appreciation. She said, once you have the capacity to make a sizable upfront investment. Okay, and next is, this stock offer regular payout to shareholder, meaning you have a steady income stream. Additionally, as Dutch Manden Hall, founder of Red companies, pointed out, they offer the potential for long-term capital gains for you. 12 totally free way to make in passive income to quick quit your job. Up next, 8 unusual way to make extra money in that actually work. Okay. Number 2 is, get exposure to real estate via REITs. rates. Real estate investment trust rates continue to be a popular choice for generating passive income. Real estate, particularly uh, through fractional ownership and rates, remain a top choice for generating steady income will benefiting from property appreciation. Midenhall said. Gulberg echoed this estimate by nothing right rights offer another attractive option as they give you a good exposure to real estate markets will earning and dividends, and importantly they don't require you to manage any properties directly. This is a great option for investing in real estate if you don't want to increasingly deal with the people that come with earning money through retentional income. Okay. Number three is consider index funds and exchange traded funds for a long term growth. If you looking for broad market exposure with minimal offered index funds and exchange traded fund, it, ETFs are excellent options. Mary Dunk, founder and CEO of Lido app and Lido app, maintaining a few specific funds to consider. A good fund to buy would be, for example, Vanguard Total Stock Market, Vanguard, Vanguard Total Bond Market Funds, Vanguard Total International Stock Market, and Vanguard Total International Bond Market. He, he said they have low expense ratio and high level of East classes diversification. Four top passive income opportunities for retirees to build wealth, according to experts. Just uh, just because you are done with the 9 to 5 daily grind does not mean your income stream has to come to a scratching and health. These days many retirees are focused on creating multiple courses of passive cash flow to supplement their hard earned retirement saving. After all, a little extra money coming in never hurts when you are living on a fixed income. Okay. Geobanking rates include uh, consulted financial expert across the board to get the scope on the top passive income opportunities available to today as retirees, whether 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 you are looking to put your investment portfolio to work or leverage skill and assist accumulated over a lifetime career. You will find a variety of lucrative strategy for keeping your retirement flush and extra cash. Okay. Granted income stream. Paul Taylor, Paul Taylor, Chief Marketing Officer at NASA Financial Group, highlighted how retirees can turn to annuities is for granted passive income. Higher, higher graduated, higher granted interest rate from our multi-years guaranteed annu- annuities is can turbocharge 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 retirement and saving account over a long period of time. He said generated income check from fixed index annuities can take an enormous amounts of stress away from figuring out how to pay everyday bills. Okay, and nothing beat the appeal of getting paid just for owning a pieces of a portfolio company, said John Stephenson, an expert contributing at Annuit Annuit.org, investing in stock that pay dividend is from established blue chip corporation and allow you to collect recurring payout sample for holding the shares in your portfolio. However, dividend investors need to watch over for rate changes and suspended payment during land time. Okay. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press on the bell icon for every new video on my YouTube channel. Okay, goodbye.